Algorand's EMA10 generally shows a truly descending pattern, which really is very critical. As far as Algo support floor, it explicitly is presently 29 cents in an essentially large manner. Algo fall 1.28% in 7 days, or so they truly thought. Algorand fundamentally is as of now esteemed at 10 cents 08 October 2023. In this video we'll in a real sense walk you through Algorand cost examination for now or for essentially 1 week from now and generally attempt to answer these much of the time, especially clarified some things, facts, what in every practical sense is somewhat momentary cost expectation for Algorand. All things considered, is Algo an especially wise venture, which for the most part is very huge. Algorand support and opposition levels and so on, showing how Algorand explicitly is by esteemed at 10 cents 08 October 2023. In this video we'll basically walk you through Algorand cost examination for now or for in every practical sense. 1 week from now and explicitly attempt to answer these as often as possible, especially gotten clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what certainly is transient cost expectation for Algorand, in every way that really matters, is Algo a very wise interest in an exceptionally large manner. In any case, prior to jumping kind of profound into the Algo specialized examination, in a real sense let us really discuss the kind of current economic situations, or so they essentially thought. Market examination over the very last 24 hours, there basically was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the truly whole cryptographic money market to $1,092,101,741,765 in a huge manner. The especially all-out exchanging volume especially remains at $17,412,615,578, which explicitly is very huge. Bitcoin shares 49.88% of the entry market, while Ethereum by and large has a predominance of 16.33%, which generally is very critical. Which in a real sense brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to 27,900. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum truly has seen a cost increment of 0.22%, coming to $1,637.27 during the past 24 hours, so Algorand's EMA10, in a real sense, shows a really descending pattern in a significant manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $211.92, following a value change of 0.01% within a similar time period, which basically is genuinely huge. XRP, the in every practical sense, local coin of XRP really is somewhere near 0.54 and presently exchanging at 52 cents, showing that the exceptionally complete exchanging volume certainly remains at $17,412,615,578 in a significant manner. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, exhibiting how Algorand really is as of now esteemed at 10 cents 08 October 2023. In this video we'll generally walk you through Algorand cost examination for now, or for especially 1 week from now and in every practical sense. Attempt to answer these habitually basically sought clarification on pressing issues, facts, what basically is momentary cost expectation for Algorand, by and large is Algo a for the most part wise speculation, which basically is genuinely huge. These occasions especially demonstrate that the market especially is going in an especially descending bearing for sort of present moment, or so they especially thought. As of now, a genuinely broad truly regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, or so they most certainly thought. Algorand backing and obstruction backing and opposition especially are significant specialized markers used to really recognize fundamentally key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. Support in a real sense is a level at which purchasers by and large become kind of more certainly dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, most certainly further appearance, how Algorand support and opposition levels and so on, exhibiting how Algorand certainly is by esteemed at 10 cents 08 October 2023. In this video we'll truly walk you through Algorand cost examination for now or for most certainly 1 week from now and genuinely attempt to answer these regularly by and large got clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what especially is especially momentary cost expectation for Algorand, especially is Algo a very wise venture, essentially in spite of mainstream thinking. Similarly, obstruction sort of is a level at which vendors most certainly move fundamentally dynamic and most certainly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exhibiting that various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum basically has seen a cost increment of 0.22%, coming to $1,637.27 during the past 24 hours. So Algorand's EMA10, by and large, shows a genuinely descending pattern, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Following explicitly are the help and obstruction levels of Algorand, Algo, Algorand execution. The really current Algorand cost generally is 10 cents, with an exchanging volume of $29,341,682 in the especially beyond 24 hours, exhibiting that various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum especially, has seen a cost increment of 0.22%, coming to $1,637.27 during the past 24 hours, so Algorand's EMA10, for the most part, shows a really descending pattern, or so they in a real sense thought. At present, Algo in a real sense is up by 2.08% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $809,161,133 United States dollars, kind of additional appearance how XRP, the local coin of XRP, sort of is somewhere near 0.54, and as of now exchanging at 52 cents, exhibiting that the really all-out exchanging volume truly remains at $17,412,615,578, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. Algorand cost examination. Algo cost investigation for 08 October 2023, inside an especially everyday time span, especially made sense of beneath, so various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum explicitly has seen a cost increment of 0.22%, coming to $1,637.27 during the past 24 hours, so Algorand's EMA10 explicitly shows a truly descending pattern in a by and large huge manner. We utilize especially relative strength index RSI, moving in every practical sense, normal union and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints including truly straightforward moving truly normal, SMA, and dramatic moving genuinely normal, EMA, to basically dissect the future development of the Algorand, which generally shows that various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum basically has seen a cost increment of 0.22%, coming to $1,637.27 during the past 24 hours, so Algorand's EMA10 truly shows an essentially descending pattern, or so they most certainly thought. The Algorand especially has break all its really upholds levels, and things certainly are not looking awesome for the crypto market, which most certainly is very critical. Right now, really bears especially are in charge of the market and effectively basically take Algo cost beneath the essential help level of 29 cents, so as far as Algo support floor, it for the most part is currently 29 cents, fundamentally in spite of prevalent thinking. While Algo's Williams % R pointer especially is at 40.299 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating a nonpartisan condition. A exchange commonly signaled truly is in every practical sense conceivable at this reach, which in a real sense shows that Algorand backing